think the word magic is often used when describing a new product or experience, and it's easy to see why. Technology enables wondrous things, but it's important to remember that great interactions, design, or even incredible driving experience isn't magic. It's intentional, thoughtfully crafted for use by people. Lucid's approach to human-machine interface isn't just about new features, although it certainly has some world-class ones. Nor is it just about technology, even though countless lines of code have been written. We've learned an interface isn't just about utility, it's also about humanity. We're happy to reveal the Lucid User Experience, or Lucid UX. In talking to people about Lucid, they tell us the same thing over and over. The interactions within the cars they've driven in the past aren't as easy to use, intuitive, or just plain beautiful as the other devices in their lives. Our drivers expect technology to aid, not distract. That's why we've designed a system that keeps everything that works about the traditional car interface, like a beautiful steering wheel, sculpted physical controls, and tactile touch. We've paired it with everything that needed to be fixed. Let's start with the displays. We've created a 34-inch floating glass instrument cluster display. It's paired with a lower console display. We call it the glass cockpit and pilot panel. What really sets us apart is the form factor itself. Everything is contoured to the driver to optimize ergonomic reach. So I have a really good touch range for every screen inside the car. At the end of the day, we shouldn't be making a tablet on wheels. It's important that a driver has access to everything a system can do without being distracted. We've created a logical grouping and standards in our controls. Starting with the left, we have functions that are visible at all times. Everything a driver needs to stay focused on the road. In the center, we have a minimal yet warm digital cluster that takes advantage of the flexibility of a digital display, but doesn't clutter with too much. Moving right, we have media, navigation, communications, and a home screen. We strive to make all the systems and displays totally seamless. They all look the same, and they all work the same. Moving down to the pilot panel, which provides a larger canvas when you need more information. It also provides a console for vehicle functions and climate control. Users' behaviors are biased towards a specific mode of interaction that fits with a certain task. This means if it's easier to accomplish something with your voice, Alexa, show me the weather.
Currently, in San Jose, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies.
Lucid UX provides a voice control with Alexa. But if it's easier to touch, then the system can do that too. Our approach to touch includes crafted experiences that just make sense for driving. And physical controls shouldn't go away just because it's trendy. We've crafted ours with tactile quality, essential for reducing driver distraction. Often, interactions are almost invisible. Facial recognition aids heads-up and convenience systems, exchanging data with a Lucid ID account. The pilot panel retracts to reveal extra storage that keeps that minimalist look. All of this sophisticated usability is partnered with a look we've strived to make warm and inviting. Our interior themes are inspired by the locations and the light of California, and we've carried this aesthetic to the graphic user interface and even to the menu buttons. One of the key design patterns is application flow, which allows multiple displays to expand and contract so the driver isn't overwhelmed with distracting options, menus, or settings. If a more sophisticated interaction is needed, a driver or passenger can pull the smart drawer to reveal more in-depth controls. And it's not just about pixels. With both interior designers and digital designers creating elements together under one roof, we can unify each and every touch point. This means contact of a physical control creates a natural response digitally. And we've got interfaces that stand alone when it comes to innovation, like using the LEDs in our light blade to display state of charge. So let's talk about all the senses. Powered by Dolby Atmos, the 21-speaker Surreal sound system can direct audio left, right, back, front, up, and down, and even move around you. This fidelity isn't just an amazing sonic environment for entertainment, but it helps keep you safe by enabling directional auditory cues for things like alerts, notifications, and warnings. These design details really add up for an incredibly smooth experience. Our leaders at Lucid have decades of experience designing cars, and the Lucid Air is the canvas they've always dreamed of, free from legacy and limitation. How do all of these things impact your life when you take a Lucid home? Electric vehicles are superior technology, and the time for adoption is long overdue. We've anticipated many of the obstacles of day-to-day use, so every interaction feels effortless. First, you can check the climate of the vehicle remotely and check its status. Planning routes for future trips in the Lucid mobile app is easy. With a beautiful key fob or using your phone as a key, you will instantly connect to your Lucid on approach. Facial recognition means the second you sit down, your selected saved preferences start adjusting. But of course, you're free to tweak with your mood. And the routes you set up, they're all ready to go in the in-car navigation. And if you need to stop on a trip, altering the navigation is straightforward and easy to understand. A powerful rangefinder automatically serves up charge locations and calculates range previews. Range and power levels aren't hidden or displayed in a way that would induce anxiety. Even our fonts were chosen for ease of mind. Our system was created to play well with others. We have incredible partners whose functions are seamlessly integrated. iPhone users will enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility. Android Auto integration is also offered, along with other popular apps and many more to come. The DreamDrive system includes incredible functionality on day one. We're going to have more exciting DreamDrive announcements soon. Charging is straightforward with the Electrify America network. And while charging, passengers can get an in-car seat massage or enjoy Lucid's Surreal sound system. We're just getting started with Lucid UX. Software brings the machine to life, and owners can expect regular updates bringing new features over the air. As our DreamDrive features continue to mature and take advantage of the full suite of 32 onboard sensors, owners can expect a product that evolves and improves through its lifespan. And we're not even close to done. While we've developed the first version of Lucid UX, we're excited to roadmap new features, technologies, and interactions. Our designers and software team can't wait to see how people use our vehicles and get ongoing feedback and data to iterate on. Lucid has groundbreaking technology, but the advanced tech won't matter if we're not centered around the human experience. It seems to us self-evident that any machine you trust with your most precious cargo shouldn't be about distracting gizmos or confusing language. Lucid UX isn't made for the vehicles. It's made for the people that are using them.